welcome back to another U.S. immigration law video. With the upcoming registration requirement for those coming to the United States, and this is primarily for Canadian citizens coming to the United States as visitors who are not issued an I-94, people have questions about the registration requirement. And one of the most common questions that we're seeing right now is, can I complete that G-325R in advance of your visit to the United States? And they have questions about how they complete the G-325R while they're in Canada, because they anticipate staying in the United States longer than 30 days and want to make sure they have an I-94 and they meet this registration requirement. Well, you cannot complete USCIS Form G-325R in advance of your entry to the United States. That is a post-entry requirement. So if you are a Canadian who came to the United States, you're already here as of April 11th, and your stay is over 30 days or will be over 30 days come April 11th, and you were not issued an I-94, you're not on a visa, you do not have a green card, you haven't otherwise filed an application with USCIS that would register you, then this requirement would apply to you because you're already in the United States and you are not registered. Therefore, you need to comply with that G-325R and register yourself. And then you will immediately receive proof of registration once you complete that form. But it only applies to Canadians already in the United States. You cannot pre-complete G-325R if you are not already admitted to the United States. If, however, you want to pre-register, that is done through CBP's website, and you can do that through the CBP I-94 website, and up in the corner of the website there's an Apply Now button where you can apply for and obtain an I-94 in advance of your travel to the United States. That must be done within 7 days of your travel. You could also use the CBP Home app that they have, where you can register up to 7 days in advance of your travel to the United States. However, that G-325R is only for those already in the United States and cannot be completed in advance. As we've discussed in the previous video, when you are completing that G-325R and you are in the United States, you will need a U.S. address to complete that form. You cannot use a foreign address for completion of G-325R. If you have any other U.S. immigration questions, we deal with Canadians coming to the United States on a regular basis, and we'd be glad to assist you.